Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. We know how important it is to make your inventory ingredients stretch. What better way than to take a kid favorite recipe, pizza, and transform it into a variety of menu applications? Kids love pizza, so we came up with ways to incorporate a pizza theme into multiple recipe applications that are fun, creative, and most importantly, flavorful. The ingredients are simple. The prep for staff is minimal, so let's see how we can creatively call out pizza on the menu any day of the week. First, let's start with the common, ready-to-eat ingredients that you will find in these recipes. Ultimate white cheese sauce, or ultimate creamy white cheese sauce, mozzarella shreds, turkey pepperoni, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. This first recipe is so simple. You just combine all of the ingredients, refrigerate for safety until it's ready to serve, and that's it. Now you have a cheesy pizza spread that you can prep in the beginning of the week and use in bento boxes as an easy grab-and-go option in your cafeteria. Building off this recipe, you can create pizza grilled cheese, or spread it in a wrap with some fresh veggies and marinara sauce for a veggie pizza wrap. It's simple. 3 menu items stemming from one recipe. We can expand even further by creatively combining 2 kids' favorites, pizza and mac and cheese. Serve it to them hot, or even serve it cold like a refreshing pasta salad. Perfect for summer feeding. Start by using the same ready-to-eat ingredients as the spread, except for the mozzarella shreds, and just add pasta. Ultimate white cheese sauce, or ultimate creamy white cheese sauce, whole grain elbow noodles, turkey pepperoni, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Combine all of the ingredients with the cooked, cooled pasta and refrigerate until ready to serve for a tasty pasta salad. Or heat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and serve it hot with a side of marinara sauce. Pizza Mac will have your back because it's super simple to prepare and has all of the flavors that kids love. So there you have it. 5 pizza-flavored recipes with the same simple ingredients you already have in your pantry. And can you believe that you can create both hot and cold options? Who says pizza needs to always be in a pie? Put it in a mac, make it a spread, or grill it up. Your kids will be surprised and delighted to see how creative the menu is. And the fact that it's super simple can just be your secret. So please check us out on our website, on Facebook, or on our YouTube channel for more creative recipes and inspiration.